I've got Apple's AirTags right here. This is how Apple's going to help you keep track of your stuff. Apple's AirTags come in a pack of 1 for $29.99 or a pack of 4 for $99.99, which is actually probably a better deal. My guess is once you start using one of these, you're going to start to think of all the other places and all the other things that you can track. There's two kinds of radio technology inside the AirTag. There's Bluetooth, and then there's ultra wideband for precision finding. Let's see what the box of 4 looks like. I haven't even opened this yet, so here we go. There's 2, and there's 2. Each one of them, I'm going to pop one out. When you first get your AirTag, there's a little pull tab right there. So up until that moment, AirTags are not powered up. When you pull out that little piece of plastic, what happens is it makes the connection with the CR2032 watch battery. Sorry, it's a standard battery you can buy at basically any CVS or drugstore in the world when it does run out. And I'm not clear about how long these last. But until that moment, these things are inert. They don't do anything. They're not even powered up. So I'm not going to pull it out at the moment because I want to wait to start the connection process. You start by unwrapping them, right? And as I said, there's a little pull tab here. When I pull this out, what we should see, so as soon as I do that, that happens. And then it wants me to name the AirTag, and I would name the AirTag based on what I'm attaching it to. Maybe my bike, maybe a camera, a handbag, headphones, a jacket that I really love, keys, of course, luggage, umbrella, wallet, or a something custom. Let's choose keys. And then you register the AirTag to your Apple ID. And at this point, it's just setting up. Since I'm going to be doing my keys, I'm going to put my new registered AirTag on the product red keychain. That, slip it in, it's securely snapped. This is what will go on my keychain. So what happens if I lose my keys? Now if I lose them in the house and the device the Find My network or app will tell me that they're still with me, meaning they're still within Bluetooth range, they're in the house. So you know what I can do? I can play a sound through AirTags. Now that's even though there is no speaker, there are no visible holes on this little device, but check out how loud this sound is. That. You're going to hear that. That's pretty ear-piercing. If you're close enough to hear that, you're going to be able to find it. And then, of course, you can use the precision precision finding to find exactly where the keys are in the house. All right, I had my son hide my AirTag somewhere in this house. I don't know where it is, but I'm going to use my phone to find it. Let's bring up find. It says it's still with me, which means it's in the house. But what I want to do is use ultra wideband to do precision finding. Precision finding means that it's not just that I'll find it here, but it'll tell me exactly where it is. So first let's just play a sound. I hear it. All right, so he didn't hide it very well. It's not like he took a lot of effort here. But let's turn on. So we've got this. Okay. And let's see if we can use this to find it. Close. Getting close. Let's see. There it is. What if you've lost your keys outside the house? All right, they're not with you anymore. You lost them in the city. That's where Apple's really massive network of connected devices comes into play. At least 1 billion devices connected to iCloud. Now, they can talk to AirTag, and it's all anonymized. So the device that talks to your AirTag doesn't know anything about you. It's all encrypted data, but it can basically communicate through iCloud to you to let you know on your phone the exact location of where your keys are. And then you basically can go and find them. Now, if you enable something called lost mode, this is going to allow other people with iPhones to help you find your lost stuff. Basically what this does is it allows anybody who happens upon, say, your lost keys, your luggage, or something like that, to hold their phone near the device. And what will happen is a number that you put in, that you authorized, will appear so they can call you directly. So all in your control. It's not going to happen automatically, but it's another great way if you've lost something and for whatever reason it can't be located through iCloud, but it's out there somewhere, and somebody happens upon your keys or your wallet or your stuffed animal that's attached to an AirTag. They're going to be able to hold the phone near it. Up's going to pop a phone number. They call it. You're going to be reunited with your stuff. AirTags are IP67 rated. What does that mean? That means that they will survive 30 minutes in a meter of water. That also means you can essentially attach it to your bicycle outside and not worry that it's going to get destroyed. I made a joke online. I attached one of these to my belt buckle, and I said I was using it to find myself. But in reality, Apple's not recommending that you attach AirTags to a human. No location data is stored in an AirTag, and the location data that is passed on your phone is all encrypted. So buying an AirTag does not mean that you're suddenly sending Apple all of your location information. You can also get a wide variety of band styles. A band like this might cost you $29, almost $30. A band like this could cost you $40, or you can get something small. A band like this might cost you $12.99. You don't have to get any kind of band for this. Again, you can just slip them into a pocket. Also, you can get the back. You can get it engraved. Some people can get emojis on them. They come typically with the Apple logo on them there, and which feels like you could scratch that right off, but that's just me. These things are so small, I want to put them everywhere. Have any suggestions for where? Hey, never mind. I was going to ask you if you wanted to suggest where I should put these, and then I realized I don't want to ask that question. But I guess I might put one on one of my scooters. That would actually be a smart idea. I could do that. Maybe one of our cars. That's possible. Maybe the camera I'm using here, although, God, I can't imagine leaving that behind. Possibly my wallet. I wish for the wallet this was a little thinner. I'm going to feel this if I sit on it. But it still seems like a smart idea, right? Put it in the wallet. So there you have it, a quick look at Apple AirTag. The brand new tracking device from Apple that we've been anticipating for literally years. It is small, it's obviously very portable, it's easy to put into little carriers and to attach to things like your bike, your camera, your car, anything that you think could be stolen, could be lost, and the system for tracking is pretty powerful. The Bluetooth is straightforward, it works well. The ultra wideband is really something. It truly gives you that precision finding capability. I will be very curious to see how long the watch battery lasts. If this sips power, it could be 6 months, it could be a year. Think about how long your standard watch battery lasts. Look, in my very brief experience with them, they obviously work as advertised. They're easy to set up. They're kind of fun to use. I'm very impressed that they can make such a loud sound for such a small little device without a speaker on them. The price is pretty good. I could see that they might move faster if they were $19.99 a piece and 4 was like $60 instead of $99, but that's just me. But I think Apple AirTag has, or AirTags, have the potential to be a hit product, even though they have no screen, they have no buttons, they have no speaker, they have no microphone. They're just about finding stuff. But Apple's been selling a lot of accessories lately, and I think this could be their next big hit. Here it is on my keys. Here it is on my backpack. Would it be wrong to put one of these on my remote control? Do you know how many times I lose this thing in the house? I mean, it would be so wonderful to be able to use the precision location to find my TV remote. Thanks for watching. Remember to rate, review, and subscribe.